Now that you have selected the TECHGEAR ScreenCloak screen protector, let me help you with the installation. Step 1. Put your phone on the anti-slip mat. Use the supplied wipe to clean the screen thoroughly, removing any dust, dirt, and grime. Next, use the cleaning cloth to buff and polish the screen until it is dry and shiny clean. Use the dust removal sticker if any dust reappears. Place the screen protector on your screen to match the hole with camera. Hold the sticker labeled 1 and peel away the film. This will hold the screen protector in place and stop it moving. Step 7. Place the screen protector on your screen, ensuring correct alignment. Step 8. Place the card on the red Push 1 line and lift the screen protector from tab 2. Then press the applicator card down along the screen, removing the film from underneath. Now, place the card on the red Push 2 line and lift the screen protector from tab 3, then press the applicator card down along the screen, removing the remainder half of the film from underneath. Pull the top protective film from tab 4. Now use your fingers to press the screen protector down along all the edges. Screen protector has been tested to adhere perfectly at the hinge. Resistant to finger oils, grease, and other contaminants that build up on touchscreens.